Bullish Star Atlas cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $261 and $427 by 2030. Market experts accept Atlas could reach $0.17586 by 2025. Negative Star Atlas market cost expectation for 2023 is $142. Star Atlas presentation. NFT as the most current obsession with the web are supposed to affect the gaming area. This state-of-the-art innovation might change the web-based video gaming area's financial potential. You can notice an adjustment of the specialized scene by joining NFTs with the gaming business and the possibility of the metaverse. One such exertion that is making ready for the following flood of computer games is Star Atlas. Star Atlas is establishing a virtual gaming climate set in the far future with a double symbolic economy. Star Atlas players investigate the tremendous bereft of space in quest for precious NFT-based jewels. It makes a metaverse experience by combining blockchain systems with NFT situated in game things and specific illustrations advances. What is Star Atlas? A space-themed multiplayer game metaverse based on the Solana network is called Star Atlas. According to its white paper, clients may combine efforts, arrange and battle their direction into neglected landscape on account of this astounding creation. In August 2021, Star Atlas will start its very first coin creation action. It highlights in-game resources in light of the idea of non-fungible monetary standards NFTs, empowering clients to oversee and bring in cash from their extraordinary resources. Each component in Star Atlas is an NFT that has been put to the blockchain specifically. The Star Atlas games universe is immense, and players should go out on forlorn, rough undertakings loaded up with various risks as they accumulate assets and endeavor to outsmart different players in the metaverse. Star Atlas ongoing interaction. In the game, players can make huge urban communities and private companies or rally and make decentralized independent associations DAO to control over specific regions. Players gain virtual in-game things while playing, which can be sold for genuine cash. Star Atlas totally embraces decentralization, as opposed to most of unified gaming stages that limit the resale and full responsibility for game items. The game's NFT-empowered in-game things will be the sole property of the players, with the choice to sell them on extra NFT commercial centers. Specialized investigation, or TA for short, is the investigation of resources utilizing specialized markers to check the Star Atlas cost expectations and different elements. It is a technique for looking at the market using pointers extraordinarily made devices. Financial backers and merchants can involve this way to deal with track down fair opportunities for exchanging or money management. Specialized investigation is normally founded on authentic data about a resource like cost, volume, and so forth, which uncovers designs that can be utilized to estimate what is probably going to occur. Specialized examination TA is the investigation of resources utilizing specialized pointers. It is a method for dissecting the market, using pointers made particularly for the reason. Financial backers and merchants utilize this method to track down opportunities for speculations or exchange contingent upon the circumstance. Specialized examination is some of the time established on verifiable information for a resource like cost, volume, and so on, which uncovers designs that can be used to estimate what is probably going to occur. Signs of digital money in view of specialized examination. Different line diagrams and graph examples can be utilized to concentrate on specialized computerized monetary forms. Clients keen on specialized examination can use the vital pointers recorded underneath to look at the most extreme cost, market cap, normal cost, greatest worth, Star Atlas cost gauge, or some other information connected with the Star Atlas cost conjecture. Pattern pointers. Pattern-following pointers were created to help brokers in exchanging cash pairings going up or down. The proverb, "The pattern is your companion," is notable. These signs can help us in deciding a pattern's bearing and affirming its presence. Ikimoku pointer. Ikimoku is a pattern partner with a refined appearance yet is moderately clear. This Japanese pointer was created as an independent device that showcases embrace levels, portrays latest things, and signs when a pattern has likely switched. The stochastic pointer. By estimating the distance between the ongoing Atlas cost and the least low over the last X number of periods, the stochastic furnishes dealers with an unmistakable technique to decide cost motions. The contrast between the low and significant expenses across similar periods is then separated by this distance. The moving normal %D is produced using the line %K then, at that point, superimposed on the %K. Star Atlas is right now worth $524. Atlas has moved some 42% as of now with an exchanging volume of $2,408,287. Star Atlas is right now positioned 1T161 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $75,834,755 using the general strength file RSI, moving weighted normal MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination disparity MACD from the graph above. We can decide cost designs for Star Atlas to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Star Atlas market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2023. Star Atlas, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Atlas cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $7537. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $734 in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Atlas is supposed to have a base worth of $69. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Star Atlas cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Atlas will before long outperform $012561. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the Atlas's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Atlas will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $-1.49 and a typical exchanging cost of $11.54. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.17586 and Atlas might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Atlas is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.16078 and a low of $0.15073 in 2025. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Star Atlas effectively helps market feeling among digital currency aficionados, the Atlas coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Atlas will be green in 2026. The Atlas is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.2261, with a base cost of $0.2098 and a typical cost of $0.2113. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Atlas cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.26127 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.025122 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Atlas has a greatest value worth of $27635. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2027.